Hello guys, I want to tell you something that have happened to me yesterday. Defy smart mining, it's scam. Don't do it. I did it. The first time I did it, I put $11, and the lady told me that she would teach me how to do withdrawals the next day. But I withdrawed this that very day that I put money. That was why they were unable to take my money. So I didn't know that they can actually scam you of your money. They will withdraw your money from your trust wallet. They tell you that you can store your money in your trust wallet, but it's a lie. This is scam. One way or the other, they will link into your trust wallet and withdraw your money. Let me take you to trust wallet and see. I tried to make a withdrawal yesterday. This trust wallet here. So I tried making a withdrawal yesterday, and before I made that withdrawal, I was having about $47. You can see my history yesterday. I was having about 40 something dollars. So when I tried making a withdrawal on this site, this very site, let me open the site for you to see. Don't do DeFi smart money. They are scamming people. Okay, this their site here. So now this their site here. This is the site. You understand? They are scamming people. Don't do it. Look at, you can see my this thing is being connected. Yesterday I was having my total balance was about $47, but when they scamming, it became zero. So let me come to personal now. This is where I try to make a withdrawal. I try to make a withdrawal of this money that is here, this withdrawable. Yesterday, this output, I tried to make a withdrawal of 64 cents, and then they told me that I have to pay gas fee. So when I tried to when I tried paying the gas fee, they now told me that I have to pay 2 cents. That's the gas fee charge was 2 cents. So when I click on as when I accepted to pay the gas fee, they now took me back to my wallet, to my trust wallet, to put password. This was how it came. For me to put password, immediately I put password, they did not even deduct the 2 cents. So I did not know that, I did not check my transaction, so I did not know that this smart contract core have been connected to my this thing, my trust wallet. Had they been I knew that it was connected to my trust wallet, I could have withdrawn my phone, but I was not aware. I was a novice. I never knew. You understand? But these guys are very fast. Once they are connected, once they have been connected to your wallet, they can take your money anytime. So you don't I'm just making this video to tell other people not to do DeFi smart money. So now what they did to me, you can let me click on the transaction. You see date on the July 7th. The time is 10:32. Still status complete. No money was deducted. I didn't see any money that was deducted. If you check the detail now let me show you something. Now this now after they did the smart mining contract connection, after they connected to my wallet, the first thing they do was they deducted $4.7. Let me open it. You see this is $4.7. Check the time is 10:41. Let me show you when they did the connection. It was 10:32, and exactly 10:41 they did another transfer of is $4.7. Now again at the same time, and again 10:41 again they transferred the remaining $42. So they took everything. Just from this place, you see. So now if I can show you my this thing, let me show you the screenshot I had yesterday, the funds I had yesterday. Let me show you. So now you see this is the funds I have. This was the funds I have yesterday. You can see my wallet balance is 47 USDT. That's my wallet balance, 47 USDT. Output is 1.3. You understand? Then withdrawable, but this withdrawable increased at the time. It was about 64 cents. So now they have taken all the $44, they have withdrawn it. DeFi money is a scam. Just check this website very well. Let me open it for you to see it. Let me take you to the website. You can see it. Don't do DeFi money. You won't. DeFi money. This DEFI 666 dot top. Don't do it. Any smart mining, just avoid anything smart mining. Don't do it. Don't engage in it, because they will take your money at a time you are not aware of. One way or the other, they will scam you. Please don't do DeFi smart money. Now I'm looking for a way to regain my money, but it's difficult. So as it's difficult, it's better for you to secure your wallet. It's better for you to avoid than start looking for your money. So avoid DeFi money, avoid DeFi smart money, avoid anything smart mining on the website. Thank you. I hope this video is going to help a lot of people out there, because I'm a victim and I don't want someone else out there to be a victim too. That's why I am releasing this video. You can see when I deposited this money on the 6th of July, and you can see when they stole my money, it was on the 7th of July, just within a day. So you get, so you just don't do DeFi smart mining. Thank you. I hope this video will help a lot of people. It helps a lot of people. As you come across this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I want this video to go viral. I want it to go viral to avoid a lot of things, to help others so that they will not get scammed. And if anyone has a way of helping me to get my funds back, please comment on the link below. Comment on this video below. Thank you.